New iPhones allow you to check your headphone levels while using headphones or Bluetooth headsets. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to enable the Reduce Loud Sounds feature of your iPhone 14. To begin, open the Settings app and then tap Sounds and Haptics. To continue, tap Headphone Safety under Headphone Audio. The Headphone Safety menu opens next. Tap the Reduce Loud Sounds switch to enable it. Doing so activates the iOS feature that reduces any sound that is over a set decibel level on your device. Every time you listen to audio sounds using headphones or Bluetooth headsets, your iPhone will measure and analyze the headphone audio levels to protect your hearing. To get relevant headphone notifications, tap to turn on the headphone notifications switch. You'll need to turn on headphone notifications under Headphone Safety in order to receive headphone notifications regarding loud headphone audio exposure from your iPhone. And that's how you enable the Reduce Loud Sounds feature on your device. Subscribe for more.